Do you need a new roof or repairs to your current roof? Is your roof experiencing a leak? Are you considering a re-roof? Let me show you why we are the best choice for you.
Services: we provide multiple services to our valued clients. When you come to us, you can leave all your roofing worries behind. We are with you every step of the way, be it for roof repair and maintenance or an entire revamping of your roof. Roof inspection: many issues can ail the lifespan and general maintenance of a particular roofing system. These could fall under a lack of overall maintenance, wear and tear of the roof, any form of deterioration or damage through natural causes. At Dynamic Roofing Co., we make sure our team thoroughly inspects your particular space in order to understand the general issue that your roofing is subject to. This helps them understand the general requirements for what they have to do. If you are facing issues with missing shingles or an altogether botched roof job, give us a call today.
I hope you like our video and you guys will give us a call. Thank you very much. For more information, please check out the link below.